Mushak, the naughty mouse. Many stories exist about how Ganesha got a mouse, Mushak, as his Vahan, mount. Here is one story found in the Puranas. Once there lived a huge and powerful mouse named Mushak on earth. Mushak scrambled here and there, nibbling at food and clothes and biting people's feet. It jolted and scared people. There was total destruction all around. Crops were ruined and textiles and clothes full of holes. Mushak was making life difficult for everyone. The worried people tried different methods to trap the mouse, but all in vain. Mushak was very shrewd to be trapped. People had no option but to ask for a divine intervention. They started praying to Lord Ganesha. God, a mouse is troubling us. It has destroyed everything. What will we eat and where now? Please find a solution to this menace. They pleaded with Ganesha. They were confident that Ganesha would put an end to their misery. Lord Ganesha rides Mushak. A huge mouse was making people's life miserable on earth. They pleaded with Lord Ganesha to come to their rescue. Lord, we cannot stay here any longer. We will have to move to some other place. They prayed to Ganesha. On hearing this, Ganesha went down to earth to deal with Mushak himself. He pacified the devotees. Do not be anxious. I will do something. Then Lord Ganesha made a plan to trap Mushak. He made a trap, Pasha, with a rope and hurled it at the huge mouse. Mushak's neck was caught in the trap and Ganesha pulled him. You cannot flee from this Pasha, exclaimed Ganesha. Ganesha then sprang over the mouse and sat astride on him as if on a horse. The mouse squeaked and wailed under Ganesha's ample weight. Finally, Ganesha took pity on the mouse and stopped the ride. The Gandharv who became Mushak. After trapping Mushak, Ganesha mounted his back. Mushak could not bear Ganesha's weight. On hearing his cries, Ganesha stopped the ride. Mushak then told Ganesha, Please hear my story. I am actually a celestial musician, Gandharv, named Cronch. I have been cursed to become a mouse. When I was a Gandharv, I happened to step on sage Vamdev's toes. Enraged, the sage cursed me to turn into a mouse and scramble on earth. When I begged for mercy, the sage said that though he could not take back the curse, people would always kneel down before me. So Mushak came to earth as a gigantic mouse. Even though many people tried to trap and kill him, they failed to do so as he was not really a mouse. But Ganesha was able to trap Mushak. Ganesha as Mushak Vahan. Mushak revealed his true identity to Lord Ganesha. The kind-hearted Ganesha took pity on Mushak and decided to bring an end to his sufferings. With his powers, Ganesha reduced Mushak's huge size to a reasonably small one. Mushak also pleaded with Ganesha to use him as his mount. Please forgive me and take me as your Vahan, my lord. I will take you everywhere you wish to go. He squeaked. Ganesha agreed. He also made himself light enough for the mouse to bear his weight. The mouse was once again a joyous creature. From then on, Mushak became Ganesha's vehicle. As sage Vamdev had predicted, all who bowed down before Ganesha paid their respects to Mushak as well. He also got to feed on the sweets offered to Ganesha. Since then, Mushak is worshipped along with Ganesha. This is how Ganesha came to be known as Mushak Vahan, one mounted on a mouse.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.